And then let's say if the screen's giving you problems. So saying Apple CarPlay's not working, Android Auto's not working, or there's some other issue. It's just giving you weird bugs. You can do a full factory reset if you want to. So under System and then Reset. You can reset network or erase infotainment data. But the downside there is that it's going to wipe out all of the information that you've saved if you do a full factory reset. What you actually want to try first is a soft screen reboot. In order to do it, you've got your little volume rocker just right in the middle here. If you take the power button in the center, you're just going to push and hold it. There we go. So after about 10 seconds or so, 15 seconds, it's going to turn the screen off. And what we've done is entered a soft reboot cycle. It's the same thing as doing a soft reboot or a reset on your phone. So what we're doing is clearing the cache. And that should solve the majority of issues that you're facing. Like I said, Apple CarPlay's not working, Android Auto's not working, factory navigation's giving you problems, whatever the case may be. That's what you want to try first. So you're going to do your soft screen reboot first. If the soft screen reboot doesn't work, then you're going to be doing that full factory reset. And then if the full factory reset doesn't work, the next step from there is going to be taking it into your Nissan dealership.